Hi parents, Miss DeLucine here. I wanted to do a quick video explaining how spelling works in second grade. You're going to see a sheet stapled in your child's planner that looks very similar to what you're seeing on the screen. And I wanted to just kind of go through it in person with you. This will help you study for the spelling test with your child each week. In the top circle, green on my screen currently, I think it kind of looks blue in your child's planner, will always be 3 sight words that will be on your child's spelling test on Friday. Those are individualized to your child. Sight words are words that may not follow a traditional spelling pattern, and we have about 150 of them in second grade that children are expected to be able to consistently spell by the end of the year. So I've done an assessment with each of your children on most of those, if not all of those words. And we'll start working through the words that they were unable to spell at this point. And hopefully by the end of second grade, they'll have all 150 mastered. In the middle circle, kind of a reddish pinkish circle, you will always see an explanation of the pattern in spelling that we are doing that week. This week, I know on the actual sheet that lists words, we're actually doing short vowel sounds. Sometimes there will be special language that I might use at school that will help kids pick up on the pattern more. That will be written in this middle pink circle. So if you read through that, you'll kind of get an idea of what we're going for. The bottom, which is a blue circle, is always going to be filled with some sample words. These are words that we're just sending home to you saying, these are sample words that follow our pattern. These would be excellent words to study at home. I will guarantee you that on Friday, the top 3 words up here will be on your child's spelling test, and at least 2 words from these sample words will be on the spelling test. However, the other words that are on the spelling test, and we will have 10 total, are words that will follow the pattern. So for example, this week, they'll all be consonant vowel consonant words. They will all follow that short vowel pattern, but they may not be in the sample words because we don't want kids just memorizing 10 words each week. We really want them to learn the pattern so that they can apply what they learn about short vowels this week to any words that they spell in the future. So again, the top 3 will always be sight words. Study them, they will definitely be on the test. The middle circle tells you what our pattern is and explains it. The bottom circle, good sample words for you to study at home. And throughout the week, you'll see some spelling papers come home that may have some other good words for your child to study. Again, the test on Friday will have 10 words. Hope that helps. Thanks very much.